Hello everyone, this is Aldo and welcome again to Servicenow crew. Today we are going to discuss how to navigate or which is the basic navigation on the Servicenow platform. So let's get started. Well, first we're going to open our PDI that we have requested the last video, and then on the market zone on the screen you have to be able to see the banner of the Servicenow platform. This is one of the most important things. If you click on the Servicenow logo, you will be redirected to the homepage, and then clicking on the all, you will be able to filter on the filter navigator and create favorite things, clicking on the start. Then the next section is the favorite section, so you will be able to edit, remove or navigate between your most recurrent sites. And then the history, basically is the history of navigation under the platform. You will be able to see the admin section and open the admin home and the workspaces. But don't worry about it, we are going to be discussing this on future videos. Then on the market logo, you will be able to select the application or scope in which you are working and the updates it. The site decision, notifications and the user menu in which you will be able to select your user preference or impersonate or elevate roles. Then we're going to use the incident table. Also, you are able to pin the filter navigator on the left side. Well, let's go to the incidents table and clicking on the symbol that you are seeing on the screen, you will be able to filter the list of the table. Basically, the filter are built by field, operator and value, and you can filter by these queries. You will be able to see all the list, view and columns and rows for each specific record. Clicking on the personalized list, you will be able to select and make it visible all the fields on the table. You will be able to update the values on the list view, just double clicking. For example, this per priority, or for example the share description, I'm going to update this to test. And you will be able to do this for multiple types of fields. Then we are going to create a new record, opening the new form. This is the form section in which the user will be able to populate each field and submit or save the record. And clicking on the right up, you will be able to change the view. Don't worry about it, we will be discussing this on the future, but for example these tabs are named sections of a form, columns and all those things. Then if we go for a specific kind of form like the business rules, new ones, if we click on the new button, we are going to be able to select this option of toggle in order to show or hide the annotations of the form. If you can see, we are showing and hiding the info messages on the form. We're going to go back again for the homepage, and basically that's it for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any recommendation of a topic. If you have any concert, please leave your comment. I'll be reading you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.